Across the world, medicine is moving beyond temporary relief, toward true healing. At the center of this transformation is regenerative medicine. India has rapidly evolved from being a treatment destination to becoming a research-driven hub for regenerative medicine. Clinical trials, translational research, and peer-reviewed publications are steadily positioning India alongside global scientific leaders. Regenerative medicine focuses on repairing or replacing damaged tissues using the body's own biological processes, rather than simply managing symptoms. Stem cell therapy promotes healing through the release of signaling molecules that regulate inflammation and support tissue repair. It is a gradual process, especially relevant for chronic and degenerative conditions. Mesenchymal stem cells, or MSCs, are at the core of regenerative medicine research. They help regulate immune responses, reduce inflammation, and support the regeneration of bone, cartilage, nerve, and soft tissues, without triggering aggressive immune reactions. India's growing body of peer-reviewed research is strengthening its credibility. Systematic reviews and clinical studies demonstrate increasing alignment with international regenerative medicine standards. India's regenerative ecosystem is driven by scientific transparency, integrated care models, and a focus on long-term healing rather than short-term symptom control. Structured consultations clearly define eligibility, limitations, expected outcomes, and recovery timelines, reducing uncertainty and empowering international patients to make informed decisions. Successful regenerative outcomes depend on careful assessment. Ethical consultancies evaluate medical history, diagnostics, and disease severity, ensuring treatment is recommended only when appropriate. Stem Cell Care India provides structured, ethical guidance and personalized consultation for regenerative medicine, anchored in current scientific research and patient suitability. As regenerative medicine advances, India continues to emerge as a trusted global hub, where science, ethics, and long-term healing converge.